Hi everybody, this is Anthony from Sunny Creates. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Sorry, just trying to get comfortable and trying to get this video out with the amount of light that I have. Trying to get a very quick video out. I hope you are all well, and I just want to welcome all of you to my YouTube channel. And I wanted to share with you this very quick digital kit that I have. It is a freebie, and you will find it on my Facebook group, Sunny Creates, and that's SANNIE. Sorry, not Sunny Creates, Sunny Creates Junk Journals. So you'll find it on that, and it's SANNIE. Okay, so my channel name, Sunny Creates and Junk Journals. Okay. So I've added it there, and I've also added it to all the other Facebook groups that allowed me or gave me permission to add it to. And so if you are members of those Facebook pages, then or groups, you might see this if I am also a member and I was allowed to share this kit. But for those, so I realized that maybe my subscribers may not be members, so you are more than welcome to get this off the my Facebook group page, Sunny Creates Junk Journals. It will be as a PDF document in the file section. I've added it as a link to a Dropbox, but then people asked me to add it as a PDF document to other sites, and that's what I did. So a little bit behind this kit over here. I think I told you I had COVID last year. And while I was recovering or recuperating, I had some time on my hand to play around with because I was in isolation, and I decided to do some, digital kits. And this was one that I started. I've been wanting to do a faith junk journal forever. In fact, that's what got me started into junk journals, as well as doing digital creations itself. And I never, I never found the time, or I wanted it to be too perfect, and I never ever did it. So I thought, well, that was an opportunity for me to do it. But as I was playing around with the kit, it just wasn't speaking to me. So I abandoned it. And I left it, and I resigned myself to the fact that, well, if I use it for myself, I use it for myself, and otherwise I'll revisit it at some other point in time, and I would then, re-look at it, reimagine it a bit, and then do some more work on it and put it on my Etsy shop. So the other day I was speaking to my dear friend from work, and I was telling her about this junk journal kit, this faith junk journal kit, and I was telling her about this half-done junk journal kit, and then suddenly, God spoke to me and said, "Why not offer it up for free?" And I was like, okay, I'll do that. And I started with my own Facebook group, my Sunny Creates Junk Journals. And then I was called to say, another call from God to say, no, don't only offer it up in your Facebook group, offer it up to anybody that wants it. And in terms of whatever Facebook groups allow me to publish it, then so it was something that came from God, and I had to be obedient about it. And I'm so glad I did that, because from the comments I am getting, it seems that people need this. They want it in their life. They are so happy, and they are so thankful. That's what I'm looking for. Thankful to me for sharing it with them. And here I was sitting with this. I did a little bit work on the day that I was going to post it, like doing some of the ephemera pages, etc. That's why it's not a large kit. But here I was sitting with this, and I thought, well, I'll use it if I want to. I won't use it if I want to. and that was how I felt about it. But yet when I spoke about it, God spoke to me and said, well, do this. So this is what it's all about. I think it is 5 main pages, 2 pages of background pages, and then 3 pages of ephemera. And then I took the 5 main pages and then I removed the writing on some of them. So you'll see what I mean. So this is just one of the pages. I don't know, you want to call it a main page, a pattern page, a background page. It depends on what you want to call it. So I'm hoping this comes through. Please let me stand up. I got my camera at a different angle. No, I think that's better. I think you can see it quite well that way. Sorry, I got it at a different angle. I've moved it around. So that's one. And then this is the second page. Okay, so it says praise God and family and friends if we want to pray for family and friends. Now, my whole idea about designing this is that I can use it on a monthly basis, or I can use it for the year, and as I need more pages, then I will print them and I will use them. So to me, I thought maybe I would use it in a junk journal where, you know, you've got that elastic. I'm not sure what they term it. I don't know if they term it Midori kit or Midori journal, but I really stand to be corrected on that one. So yes, so if you could use it that way, and then you can insert your pages in it. Just want to show you what I mean. Yeah, so I made this as a lint box for me. From a lint box, and it's where I keep my notes. So I'm talking about this here. So I have no idea what it is. So yeah, so if you want to make it that way. Now, where was I? I showed you the first page, which was sorry, this one here. I'm totally unprepared for this. I just thought I'll catch it while the light is here. So it saves me from putting on all my lights. Okay. And this is the second one. It says praise God, family and friends. The third page is about forgiveness, asking God for forgiveness. Okay. And my word from God. Very often God does speak to us, and sometimes it's good for us to remind ourselves of God, what God is saying to us. My gratitude, okay, and Lord help me. You know, all of us that do faith journaling, or in general, call upon God to help us. So sometimes we must be reminded of what we've asked God to help us with, so that we can thank Him when that does get fulfilled, that request does get fulfilled according to His will, for His glory and for His kingdom. And this is request to God and verses. And then very same pages. I'm not sure about the order. I think I could have mixed up the order, but the very same pages now. But now you can actually put in what you want to there, or you don't have to then use it as a faith junk journal. You can turn it around and use it as an ordinary mini junk journal. Okay. It's another one, and another one, in one of the blank pages, in that one. And these are just, like some of the pages I will start with at the beginning and then probably add on to them. So I just decided to put everything I had in. Some tags and tickets. And some journaling cards. Okay. So that is my junk journal. I'll call it a little bit of a mini kit. And remember that it is yours free of charge. You can use it as a faith junk journal. You can use it as a junk journal for any other purpose. It's out there for you to use as my subscribers. And I just want to thank you for subscribing, for all your comments, and for all your views. I will put the link down below of my Facebook group, so you can request to join it and then download this if that is what you would like. So bye bye from me. Take care. Have a great day, and have a blessed day. Bye bye.